Hello everyone, today I will show you how to select text in a PDF file using PDF-XChange Editor. Open your PDF file with PDF-XChange Editor, select file option and select here open. You can open your file, browse and open URL and so on. I have already opened this PDF file. Now I will select this text. Simply you cannot select this text. Select home option. Here you will find the select text option. Click here. Now put your mouse cursor on text and drag your mouse cursor, select and click right button for one mouse cursor. Now you can cross out this text, underline and highlight and so on. Also you can select all text and see this. And you can select a specific text, drag your mouse cursor. This is. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.